What is G-Force? G-Force is a nutritional supplement sold exclusively online through gforceteeth.com. The supplement is marketed as a 30-second trick that can help anyone rebuild gums and teeth while getting rid of tooth decay. G-Force uses ingredients like zinc, milk thistle, beetroot, artichoke, dandelion, and more to solve tooth and gum problems. The formula contains over a dozen herb and plant extracts that can purportedly support tooth and gum health in multiple ways. How does G-Force work? G-Force is founded on the idea that gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath are unrelated to your oral hygiene. Even if you brush your teeth daily, you can still develop gum disease and tooth decay. Modern dental science tells us that dental hygiene is crucial for oral health. People who don't brush their teeth tend to have worse oral health than people who do brush their teeth. The makers of G-Force, however, flip that concept on its head, claiming the two are unrelated. Despite popular belief, gum disease, tooth decay and even bad breath have nothing to do with how good your oral hygiene is, but with dangerous bacteria buried deep inside your gums, eating at your roots and creating deadly complications for your eyes, throat, heart and lungs. In fact, even people who brush 10 times per day will not eliminate this bacteria, no matter how hard they try. Even the most advanced cleaning treatments will not destroy the bacteria lurking in your mouth. With that in mind, G-Force is formulated to support the underlying issues that virtually any tooth or gum problem derives from, regardless of your age, the severity of your condition, or your oral hygiene habits. What does G-Force do? G-Force fills your saliva with antibiotic compounds that target bacteria in your teeth and gums. Instead of removing bacteria by brushing and rinsing your mouth, G-Force strengthens your mouth from the inside out. Using herbal extracts, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds, G-Force fills your body with ingredients that support healthy inflammation and antioxidant activity. In fact, the makers of G-Force claim the ingredients work like natural antibiotics and are capable of removing dangerous hotbeds of infections in just a few hours. By supporting healthy bacteria levels in your mouth, G-Force claims to fortify your gums, strengthen your teeth, and help solve other serious dental problems. What to expect after taking G-Force? According to the G-Force website, people who take the supplement can enjoy powerful benefits. After taking the supplement for a few weeks, you can enjoy the same oral health benefits as 32,000 other people who have already taken the formula. The sales page claims people who take G-Force can expect all of the following benefits: no more inflamed, bleeding gums, no more dental infections or bad breath, no more tooth or gum pain, and no need to take pain medication. No need to cover your mouth or feel embarrassed. The ability to eat whatever you like, whenever you want. The freedom to smile, talk and be proud of your teeth. If you have poor oral health, then all of these benefits sound great. People with bad teeth and gum problems may not be able to eat the foods they like, for example. Others are afraid to smile in public. G-Force claims to solve all of these problems using a 100% natural solution with no side effects. Let's take a closer look at the story behind G-Force to understand how it works.